Okay. Hello. Welcome to reading class again. Today is the study about J4. Okay, J4. Yes, let's go to pronounce. Okay, word I. Okay. How do you pronounce it? Okay. Say about rain. How do we write? Okay. Okay, this is a vowel. Okay, I, but we pronounce it here. Okay, e, yes, e. Example. In, sacked, insect, here, okay, ink, ink, ink. The two syllable. Okay, how do we read this word? Okay, igloo, here, igloo, can spell it. Igloo. Milk. Okay, milk. And here, sit. Sit. Here, finger. Okay, and some tongue is very important. Okay, finger. Yes. Okay, this is over. You can name, or you can give how to speak about this word. Okay, what how to speak from word to word and again. Okay, and then translate in your language too. Okay, yes. See you later.